ProofHub is a project management and team collaboration tool that's becoming a popular choice for businesses. But is it the right fit for you? In this video, we'll go over 12 things you should know before making your decision, especially in comparison to other popular tools like Asana, Monday.com, and Trello. Stick around till the end to get a solid recommendation on a better alternative if ProofHub isn't the perfect match. First thing to consider, ProofHub offers a flat rate pricing model, which is one of its major selling points. Unlike some of its competitors, which charge based on the number of users, ProofHub provides unlimited users for a single price. This is a great benefit if you're managing a large team and want to avoid unpredictable costs. Next thing, ProofHub doesn't have time tracking built in, which could be a deal breaker for some businesses. Unlike software like Monday.com or Asana, which offer native time tracking features or integrations with tools like Harvest, ProofHub requires third-party apps if you need to track hours. So, if time management is crucial for your team, keep this in mind. The third thing to know is about its simplicity. ProofHub prides itself on being intuitive and user-friendly, focusing on the essentials. This can be an advantage if you want a straightforward tool without the clutter of overcomplicated features, like those you may find in Asana or Monday.com. However, if you need more customization, ProofHub might feel a bit limited in that department. Next thing, ProofHub's task management is solid, but not as robust as some other tools. While you can assign tasks, set deadlines, and create to-do lists, it lacks some of the advanced features seen in competitors like Asana, such as advanced workflows or automations. This means you won't have the same level of granular control over your processes, which might be a drawback for large, complex projects. The fifth thing, ProofHub integrates with a variety of third-party tools like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. However, unlike Monday.com or Asana, its list of integrations is somewhat limited. If you rely heavily on other apps, you may feel the pinch when trying to sync everything together. Sixth, ProofHub has built-in proofing and reviewing tools, which is a big advantage for creative teams or those working on documents and design files. This feature allows you to annotate, mark up, and comment on files directly within the app, making it a solid choice for teams that need to collaborate on creative content. This is something that sets it apart from project management tools like Trello or Asana, which lack built-in proofing. The seventh thing, ProofHub offers a simple project overview with a bird's-eye view of all your projects in one dashboard. But if you're used to the more customizable, visual dashboards of tools like Monday.com, you may feel a bit constrained. The interface is functional, but lacks the flexibility and variety of views that other tools provide. Next thing, ProofHub is not designed for accounting purposes, which might surprise you, considering it's a tool being used by businesses. Unlike dedicated accounting software like QuickBooks or FreshBooks, ProofHub doesn't include financial management features like invoicing or tax tracking. If you're looking for an all-in-one accounting and project management solution, you may need to look elsewhere. The ninth thing, ProofHub supports time management in a simple form by allowing you to set due dates and track tasks, but lacks detailed reporting or time tracking features. Competitors like Trello or Asana offer more advanced reporting features, which can be crucial if you need detailed insights into project timelines and team performance. 10th, one of the most noticeable differences with ProofHub is its pricing structure. With a flat rate fee, ProofHub can be more economical for businesses with larger teams compared to the per-user pricing seen with other tools. If you're scaling up your business and need a predictable pricing model, this could be a huge advantage. Next, ProofHub doesn't come with built-in CRM tools or advanced sales tracking. If your business needs a more integrated system for customer management and sales, this may not be the right fit. Competitors like Monday.com can be customized with CRM features, making it more adaptable for sales teams. The 12th and final thing to know is that while ProofHub excels at keeping things simple, it may lack the depth that larger teams with complex needs require. Tools like Asana or Trello are better equipped to handle intricate project management workflows and integrate with a wide range of business systems. In conclusion, ProofHub